Punishment for drink driving is disqualification, and that's mandatory. The judge has no option. If you plead guilty to drink driving, or if you're found guilty of drink driving, they must put you off the road. Some people kind of confuse that with, well, if I tell the judge that I've never been in trouble before, or I'm looking after my family and I'm a hard worker, that would make a difference. It won't. I would love to tell you that it will, but they have no choice. If you're found guilty, they have to put you off the road. I wouldn't, ever, because what's going to make you potentially intoxicated or over the limit is different from person to person. Depends on your age, your sex, your weight, whether you've eaten or not recently, whether you've slept recently, whether you've had any food recently. There's a whole different bunch of factors which all combine together to result in you being maybe over the limit or not. A pint of beer for one guy who's used to drinking a lot mightn't put him over the limit, but a pint of beer for someone else who doesn't drink that often and who's tired and hasn't eaten in a while might. So there's no scientific rule. It's very, very much case by case. I think it would depend as to what your job is. I think that there's no hard and fast rule, and a lot of it depends on your contract of employment. If your contract of employment specifically states that if you're arrested for drink driving, you could be dismissed, then that's a difficulty. But it depends generally on your job. If you were a member of An Garda Síochána and you were arrested for drink driving and convicted, it could be something that you could be dismissed for, yeah. How do I get off with drink driving? People think it's scientific. There is some formula or method. There isn't really. There never is when it comes to the law, because the law is dealing with people, humans, judges, guards, clerks, solicitors, and the human is somebody and a collection of people they're just not precise. There is no scientific way. Sometimes it comes down to luck. Maybe a witness doesn't turn up. Maybe a guard gives bad evidence. It can be something as simple as that, but there's no hard and fast rule.